Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
Microsoft Teams is a collaboration and communication tool. What's more, it's mostly used in organizations or educational institutes. It is rarely, if ever, used as a personal communication tool. Communication i.e. who can message or call who is controlled because the channels aren't open unless a user allows someone to message them or invites them to join a team. All that said, you may still find that a user becomes a problem to the point where you have to block communication from them in Microsoft Teams. Block someone on Microsoft Teams. The block feature in Microsoft Teams is only available for personal users, i.e., if your contact is not part of your organization, you can block them. If you need to block someone on Microsoft Teams from a company work account, you should talk to your system admin and HR to let them know why you need to block someone. Alternatively, you can leave a team. Block someone on Microsoft Teams desktop, web. To block someone on Microsoft Teams from the desktop app or from the web interface, follow these steps. Open Microsoft Teams. Go to the Chat tab. Click the More Options button, 3 dots, and select Block Contact from the menu. Note: if the block option is missing, you share a team with the contact and cannot block them. Block someone on Microsoft Teams, iOS, Android. On iOS or Android, you can block a contact on Microsoft Teams by following these steps. Open the Microsoft Teams app on your phone. Go to the Chats tab. Select the conversation thread for the contact you want to block. Tap the contact's name at the top to go to the contact's details page. Tap the Block Contact option. Note: contacts that are in the same teams as you cannot be blocked. Muting a contact. Blocking a contact is limited in Microsoft Teams. However, you can mute a contact and you will no longer get alerts when they send you a message. To mute a contact on the desktop or web, open the Microsoft Teams app. Go to the Chats tab. Click the More Options button, 3 dots button, next to a contact's name. Select Mute from the menu. To mute a contact on your iPhone or Android phone, open the Microsoft Teams app. Go to the Chats tab. Tap the conversation thread for the contact you want to mute. Tap the contact's name at the top of the thread to go to the contact's details page. Turn the mute switch on. Conclusion: communication apps that are used for work generally do not have a block feature. Casual conversation apps like WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger are often used for work, but they do not have enterprise models, which is why they will allow you to block anyone you want. Microsoft Teams is an entirely different type of app that builds teams from Microsoft 365 groups and the Active Directory, which is why this feature is only available in a select scenario. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more how-to and informative videos.